Davido just made history as the first African artist to have a clothing line partnership with Puma. Okay, guys, Davido officially kicked off his partnership with Puma with his own new collection. Davido has a set of clothes, shoes, slippers from the brand. This is super massive. The launching happened in New York as Davido was all smile as he launched his new clothing brand with Puma. This is super massive. Puma is a massive brand, and Davido, one of the biggest artists from Africa, launching his own brand with one of the biggest brands in the world. This is a massive collaboration. Davido has been making moves. They said this deal is a multi-million-dollar deal, and Davido has just been making massive moves all over. It was a super night of celebration in New York as everybody trooped out just to have fun. Davido also gave an interview, talked about this new show that will be going down at State Farm Arena, Davido and friends, for his birthday in Atlanta. This is super massive. Davido was all smiles as fans and everybody trooped in just to celebrate Davido for this new multi-million-dollar deal. Okay, guys, drop a comment below. So think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
First time seeing my collection at the New York store. Crazy. See that? It's plenty. The hoodies, full track match sets, t-shirts, track pants, you know what I'm saying, when it gets cold, shorts, if you're on vacation, you feel me? Everything is on point, so make sure you get to it when you're outside. Yeah, the official Davido Puma's crazy out now. Crazy, man. I have my own shoe. That's crazy. You get shoe for Nigeria. Those of us no like shoe. You get slippers. Yeah, man. I'm happy, man. Crazy. Yeah, the official Davido Puma's crazy out now. Crazy, man. I have my own shoe. That's crazy. You get shoe for Nigeria. Those of us no like shoe. You get slippers. Yeah, man, I'm happy, man. Crazy. What's up? Man, everything switched down here. From, partnering with me and wanting to take it worldwide and beyond, and even flying me out to Germany, flying me out to Boston, you know what I'm saying? They saw the vision, you know what I'm saying? So it was amazing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm saying from the first collection that we did and how crazy it went, then obviously it brings, more collaboration and stuff like this. So this deal, the main deal, you know what I'm saying? They brought the bag. Yeah.
They did. Y'all saw them shoes? Y'all see them shoes? The pants are fire. And I mean, what were your streetwear influences? Like, who were your style icons?
And I do arenas there every year. So I thought something, I was like, instead of me doing arenas every year, why don't I make it a yearly thing? You know what I'm saying? Something that's gonna last even when I'm not here. So it's called the Davido Birthday Bash. My birthday is November 21st. I'm a Scorpio demon, you know what I'm saying? For? Yeah, I'm Sag. Like, But hey, they say that's the worst. But, you know what I'm saying? November 21st is my birthday. I've been doing this for 15 years. I dropped my first song blew up when I was 16, 17. And when I say blew up, I'm talking blew up. Like, I was everywhere, 16, 17.